Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I'm excited for this video. A while back, Poundland released a goodie box with a mixture of Poundland branded items inside this box, and it was for £5 and I wanted this box. I'm a huge fan of Poundland, so I literally tried so hard to get hold of this box. And do you think I could get one? No. I was searching Blackpool, I even searched Birmingham, my friend in Edinburgh was searching the Poundlands up there. I literally could not find it anywhere, and I began to think, am I dreaming this? I tried googling it and I couldn't find no images of this box, but I knew I'd seen it somewhere. But today, in Blackpool, I went into Poundland and there was just one full shelf of these Poundland boxes. I have bought one today because I'm going to do like a what's in the box situation. It's kind of an unboxing. I love doing unboxing videos. And also for 2020, if you want me to get back into unboxing videos, I used to do Glossy Box and like many other boxes, like subscription boxes. If you want me to get back into that, just comment below and I'll see if I can make it happen. But yes, I have got a Poundland, what is it? It's a box full of Poundland goodies, and this was £5, but it was £5 and it was reduced to £3. And not only did I get this, they had another one which I did not know they had, and this is the ultimate box of Sassy. Is it Sassy? No, the ultimate box of Sass. So I've got that one as well, and I'm going to open them on camera to show you what's in it. And am I getting too excited over like a Poundland box? I don't care. I am excited. So first, I'm going to start off with the Poundland box. It says for Poundland's #1 fan. Oh yes. Also, the £5 sticker is peelable, so you can take it off and give it to a gift. Give it to a gift. Give it as a gift. I know it's past Christmas now, but hey ho. If I can get into it with my lash tweezers. So, oh my god, when I walked in and I seen them all on the shelf, I was like, get in my basket. The first thing to come to is some pencils. Oh my god, these take me back to like school. These say amazing value every day. They are box standard pencils and they have rubbers on the end. Oh my god. I would have loved them more if I said Poundland on it, but I suppose it has got the say like Poundland like. Is it a slogan? Amazing value every day. So I've got 2 pencils. Then I have a mug. It just says, this mug costs £1. Well, it didn't, because it was in a mystery box for £5 and reduced to £3. But it is printed badly, but hey ho, I have a Poundland mug. I will get some use out of this. I've started using these as like little storage things, like in my drawers. For like different types of earrings. I've been using mugs for storage diverters. What's that word? Storage. I don't know. But yes, storage. Poundland mug. Then socks. If you know me, you know I love novelty socks. So you get these are ankle ones. Oh, these are quite soft actually. What's that? Oh. So yes, Poundland socks. It's got Poundland written on the bottom. Can you see? Because of the light. Yeah, Poundland with their little reef. And these feel so soft. They're like the ankle trainer socks. But yes, I expected it to be like cheap quality, but that's quite thick. Can't wait to wear them. A pen. So, amazing value every day. Does it work? I need paper. Oh, why did I chuck that rubbish? Ugh. And it works. So, a pen. A badge. A Poundland badge. But it's not a Poundland, it just says a pound. Wouldn't it be better if it said a Poundland? No, Poundland, like the Poundland logo. So I got a badge. Oh, is that it? Oh no, there's more. There's more people. What's this? Notepad. Oh, that's cute. So you got a notepad. Is it lined? It's plain paper. And you can put it on your fridge. This is going on my fridge. Let's assure that. Oh, I like that. Is this a... Oh, got 2 pads. 2 pads. Don't think I was expecting that, but yeah, exactly the same. So 2 pads for my one fridge. What's this? What is it? Is it like a flag? Oh no, it's a mouse mat. Like, because like we all need a mouse mat. So it's good. Feels good quality actually. So Poundland mouse mat. I love it. And that's it for this one. This one doesn't contain a coaster. So on the front, it says one mug, or is it on about this mug? 2 pencils, got 2 pencils. 1 pen, 1 pen. 1 notebook, 2 notebooks. 1 badge, 1 badge. 1 mouse mat, 1 mouse mat. A pair of socks, a pair of socks. A coaster, no coaster. And a whole lot of coolness. So yes, I've got 2 notepads instead of 1 notepad and a coaster, but I don't use coasters, so not really fussed with that, but the notepads I am like thrilled for. So £3 this was, and I think I've got a good bit of £3-ness coming out of here. Now for, wrong way. Now for this, the ultimate box full of sass. So first, some, oh my god, more socks. I love what these say. So who's ready for these socks? They say go away. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear these. These really are good quality socks. I wish they'd done more like varieties of these boxes, because I want to do a whole series of these. Then we have a badge. Ooh, I like this badge. This badge says, you do you. That is full of sass, just right there. Another mug. This one says, I'm kind of a big deal. Because yes, I am kind of a big deal. Like, I am a savage, I'm just ripping open these boxes. So, oh, the quality of these mugs are not so great. But yes, got another storage. So next we have pencils. So I'm guessing that it's going to be exactly the same what was in the Poundland one, but sassiness. These ones, I am very busy and boss lady. So they, you can't even see that. So this one says boss lady. Can you see that? Can you? Can you? I don't know. And I am very busy. Can you see that? I don't know. So yes, pencils. Next we have a coaster. Oh, Sassy since birth. So I'm going to take out this wrapper. So that's the coaster. It's got a cork button. Sassy since birth. So next it comes to the pen. I am so glad that I've got pens and pencils in here, because I always lose them. So this says Sassy AF. Can you even see that? Probably not, but does it work? And that one works. Then notepad. Blah, blah, blah. And I bet you're thinking that's exactly what I'm saying with this video, but I don't care. I do videos I love to watch myself. And who wouldn't want a £3 reduced from £5 box of stuff from Poundland? So yeah, my fridge is so going to be kitted out with like notepads, and I've got a cough coming. So yes, notepad and a mouse mat. What can I use these for? I want to use it for something. So yeah, boss lady. What can I use them for? Ideas. If you know what I can use these mouse mats for, give me some fun ideas and I'll try to put them into action. So, there was the 2 boxes. That was £3 each, reduced from £5 each. And I've been waiting so long for that Poundland one. And when I seen that they're doing a Sassiness one, I was like, it's got my name written all over it and I'm going to cough again. I got a tickle in my throat. So, that was me unboxing these boxes from Poundland. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me loads of comments down below and I shall see you all in my next video. So, it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. And stay sassy.